inside the car.
Yeah.
All right.
Soon I'll add in a second car. Also, will control. Oopsies. We can just go like this. Oh! Never
Got a
noticed.
loose piece.
No.
Gotta steer clear of the walls.
Here we go. Whoa! Hey! Lightning! What's that lightning thing doing here?
Oh, it took the front off.
Damage! Better go to the workshop!
Yeah, that might take a little
Yeah.
work.
Add it back.
Yeah, we'll just leave this off
Yeah.
for now.
Yeah, we won't crash like that anymore. Well, now he has a big drill. We almost crashed. Oh, and this again. Hey, Lightning! You want to go for a ride?